Today, we're going to present business analysis for Dogpool, the organization providing dog sharing service. Business analytics methodology is accepted to help manage the analytics project successfully. First of all, this project utilized rich picturing and business model canvas to analyze the current situation of Dogpool and identify some business issues through analysis. Excel simulation model is used to analyze the relationship between profits and the numbers of servers used to support the app. Finally, there are some recommendations listed for improving the current business model. Rich picture is considered as a tool to give holistic thinking and provide situation structuring based on environment, industry, and organization for the whole current process in the input phase. There are some issues discovered during drawing rich picture, which will be discussed in detail after. Business model canvas can help analyze the current situation of Dogpool. Key elements related to the issues are picked out. Key partners of Dogpool are dog owners and dog food companies, and the key activities of Dogpool are dog sharing service together with Facebook group operation and maintenance. All business activities currently developed based on Facebook group. Regular annual fee is the only revenue stream for Dogpool. By combining findings in rich picture and business model canvas, we identify some issues that Dogpool encounters, which can be regarded as the opportunity for Dogpool's further development. For external issues from rich picture, first of all, there are several potential and existing competitors with usable platform, which can increase the pressure for competition. Some organizations provide free dog sharing service, which makes the Dogpool service losing part of its value. For internal issues from business model canvas, over-reliance on the Facebook group can be the most serious one, and no stable IT platform can bring negative impact on Dogpool development. As the increasing scale of business, there is shortage of employees to maintain the daily routine. According to the business canvas, key partners are too simple. The partnership with individuals and organizations need to be developed. Another worry is that dog owners and non-dog owners have the opportunity to develop personal relationship and won't choose Dogpool for further connection, which can result in threats of customer retention. Finally, Dogpool only provides dog sharing service as a current business model. It is lack of products and service diversity and may not attract more users. Moreover, the limited source of revenue will restrict the growth of business as well.
Well, to build the analyzer model for Dogpool, we firstly draw an independency map to allocate our process to get the right result. Brief introduce, we calculate the number of total users by multiple the expected growth rate, which is around 64% with the initial users per month. We get the number, then we use this number to go through the number of servers and get the existing users that we can serve, and also those we could not serve because of the server limitation. Those existing users make up of our revenue, and by deducting the cost of servers renting and negative loss, we can finally get the profit. Then let's move to the next slide. This is the model we create under the expected growth rate. We set the independent variable as number of servers, which is on the horizontal sign, and set the independent variable as profit, which is the vertical sign. So sorry, graph things are always confusing, but soon I will explain to you. As you can see, this curve can be separated into three parts. In terms of the number of servers, part A is range from 0 to around 64, and in this range, the curve shows an upgoing tendency. The curve peaks at the point of around 64, indicate that the profit will be maximized when we run 64 servers to support our service. Then, on the part B, you can see the curve is going down. The profit is getting less with the increasing number of servers, but still we need to highlight something that is in this range, even though our profit will be less than the previous condition, but the growing number of servers allows us to serve more clients. And I think it is no wise to look at part C. It shows that when the number of servers is larger than 137, it will cause the negative profit with an overwhelming server renting cost. I suggest you don't bother with part C. To conclude, we can make two analyst suggestions according to the finding. First is that if we want to maximize our organizational profit, we may probably choose to rent around 64 servers to achieve the max profit. However, there is a shortcoming of this choice, since the serving users amount is limited by the server capacity. Renting only 64 servers can mean a short growing of revenue in a short period, let's say like a year. But if we are seeking for long-term growth, this current strategy may restrict the free growing users, sort of causing the loss of our potential customer. Second, if we want to grow our users number and extend our business, it would be cool to choose the server number between 64 and 127. In this range, we may still get income, but somehow expand our service capacity to meet the growing demands of users. More users and better service, good for the long-term development. And this is another model that we use all the possible growth rate to make a random testing. You can see that it is more fluctuated compared with the previous slide one, but they are showing the similar tendency and the regular pattern.
Finally, based on the detailed analysis on current situation and findings from Excel simulation model, some specific recommendations for Dogpool to develop its business model are given from 5 aspects, which are partnership development, service and product diversification, resources, customer relationship, and channel, respectively. First of all, as for partnership development, Dogpool is encouraged to develop new partnerships systematically with different people or organizations, such as key opinion leader in the field of pet topic, charity and animal organizations, insurance agent, GPS service provider, and pet supplies. Subsequently, Dogpool is likely to increase its popularity and attract more customers. As for service and product diversification, 5 concrete ideas are suggested here. At first, additional pet-related products such as clothing with pet-printed or other customized products are provided, which can be quite interesting for users to experience. Another function provided is insurance in order to guarantee dogs' health. Additionally, there is social media section on Dogpool's application for users to share photos or contents about dogs, where they're likely to find friends and have much more fun. Besides, some offline charity events and dog festivals will be hosted to help users develop deeper relationship with Dogpool, make friends with other users, and form community around Dogpool. At last, automatic identity validation is used to save time and increase efficiency on information screening process. To sum up, Dogpool can utilize these ideas to provide richer product metrics and improve user experience. Thirdly, as for resources, it's recommended that Dogpool allows users to register and log in through Facebook or other highly developed platforms in order to boost the brand and provide convenience. Additionally, crowdfunding from users is a good choice to gain fund and other support for operation. Fourthly, for customer relationship, 3 recommendations are identified. First, membership point system can be developed. To be specific, when a user has spent enough money on the Dogpool's application, membership card points will be accumulated for free gifts such as dog food. In addition, part-time job vacancies for users or other dog person are provided in order to increase user stickiness and meanwhile response. At last, 7 days 24 hours customer service is guaranteed to help deal with some emergency situations or problems from customers. Final suggestions about channel. On one hand, some promotion and advertisement activities can be carried out through key social media official accounts on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. to effectively increase popularity. On the other hand, it is necessary and essential for Dogpool to establish its own application and official website to better serve its users and get more insights from customers. So this is what we have done for Dogpool. Thank you for watching.